Today we are going to see a very nice flag, which is the flag of Ukraine, and it's a very easy flag. It has a rectangular shade, as you can see here, and it has only two colors, so the whole flag is divided into two segments. I've drawn a straight line in the middle of that rectangle. Now I'm going to fill up on the top portions with a dark blue color. Let's start the drawing. All right, so after fill up the blue color, we are going to fill up the other portion, other parts, and when we put the color, let's try to make it as uniform as possible, because inside the flag the colors usually it becomes the solid colors. So when you put the colors, always try to make it the solid colors. All right, and if you use different types of pens and different types of drawing instruments, maybe the color variations happens, but usually the main theme must be the same. It's like the blue on the top and yellow on the bottom. Now I'm going to put the yellow in the bottom, and as you know, this is a very simple and easy flag, so it doesn't going to take much time to draw the flag. Very simple and easy, and very good flag for learning the beginners drawings. I hope you like the videos. We always try to explain everything as simple as possible so that you can understand all the procedures. That's why we always say that stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel, enjoy the drawings and learn as much as you can. Alright, so the drawing is complete. You can see the two colors. This is the flag of Ukraine. And as you like the videos, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.